I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead, author of the book Freedom from Suffering, A Journey of Hope, and someone living with my own chronic pain for over 30 years. Today I want to talk about the process and importance of making peace with chronic pain in order to stop suffering. Many people don't understand what I mean when I tell them that you need to start seeing pain as your ally instead of your adversary. Remember, pain symptoms are very crucial to our survival. However, many people that develop chronic pain syndromes now have a pain system that's been sabotaged, and sometimes it's like the system has gotten turned on and it can't get turned off. For some individuals, the medication they're using to manage their pain is actually leading to the pain that they're experiencing. So making peace with pain is so important. It's the first step towards stopping the suffering. And I believe that freedom from suffering is everyone's right, but it's also their responsibility. The first step is to learn as much about your pain condition as possible, and to realize that there's a biological component, a psychological component, and a social cultural component to pain. There's a big difference between pain and suffering. When we have pain, the sensations from our body go up into the brain, into the thalamus, and from there a signal gets sent to the frontal lobes and we have a thinking response. From that point, there's another signal that gets sent to the primitive brain, the amygdala limbic system, and we have an emotional response. This is also what I call the amplifier circuit. This is the difference between when that pain signal hits the thalamus, saying, "Ouch, that hurts," versus boosting up the gain on the amplifier and saying, "Oh man, this is horrible, it's awful, it's terrible." That's suffering. And I believe that freedom from suffering is everyone's right, but it's also their responsibility. The first step of the responsibility process is learning as much about effective pain management as possible, and especially dealing with the psychological and emotional components of the pain, which are every bit as real and as powerful, if not more so, than those biological sensations. So join me on my quest for freedom from suffering.